Week 3, traders. I know it's been long. Al, I'm sick and frickin' tired of it myself. But I got something to show you. Maybe 2016 was the wrong time to get in, but it's difficult to tell. I'm serious. It's very, very difficult. You never know. It's up to the professionals. It isn't us little guys that are going to make the market move. But I've got something pretty interesting in the AG monthly chart. So let's not waste any time. Let's get to it. Let's look at AG monthly. All right, here's AG's monthly chart. Let's take a look back. When was it? 2015. So 2015 was a consolidation year. Yeah, it sucks. Look at it. Looks just like 2017. But look what happened right after that consolidation. We got a huge rally. And I can show you that the US dollar has lost all support. Silver futures are on top of support and are about to rally. I have zero doubts about it. Look at the stochastics back in at the end of 2015. They were oversold, and that's when they started to rally. Look at the stochastics right now, beginning in 2018. Stochastics are turning up, and I think they're going to exit the oversold area. And as soon as they do, look out, bitches. It's going up, up, and away. Silver futures weekly chart. It's been a slow, steady consolidation going sideways. Last oversold area in the stochastics looks to me like we broke over resistance, found support on that trend line, got a little pop. Looks as if last week might have closed on the 50 EMA. We're going to get a 20 EMA crossing over the 50, showing bullishness, and the stochastics are not overbought yet. There's still room for more buyers to come in. And trust me, we got the 200 EMA over at 1792.3. That's their next target. Then once they reach that, find support. Buyers are going to keep buying to break over the most recent highs. It's exactly how it works. Why does it work that way? Because people want to make money. So they can't communicate with each other. They use these charts to find resistance support areas, and they're going to buy. It's just simply the way it works. The markets are biased towards the upside. Silver's been around for thousands of years. It's what they've used in the past. They're going to buy it again. Silver futures daily chart. A repeat of the weekly. Got the oversold area, dropped below that trend line. No big deal. It's not a science. It is not a science. And looks to me like we found support on the 200 EMA, the most important in the daily. I love it. Yeah, it's been a long, hard-fought battle, but like we've seen that monthly chart in AG, I'm going to expect a repeat of what we've seen in the past, simply so everyone can make money. Now that resistance is below us, sitting on top of the 200 EMA, time for the professionals to shoot for the next target. I see 1855 up there, the most recent highs. Expect it. I do. DO, 1 year daily chart. Just because it's bitching. You disagree? Oh man, let's just take a few seconds here. It's going to be a short video. Oh, how nice. I'm expecting possible. I see that pivot point below us at 1727. That sort of sucks. That's way down there. But I don't know. There was some buying off the 20 EMA on Friday. I see stochastics starting to turn back up. There's a possibility it might just keep going up. Things are looking good. Let's just take a look at the crude oil chart. It's hard to imagine. A few months ago, I was telling you guys we're probably going to bounce off, breaking resistance above those trend lines, and look at that. For the past few months, it's just been a straight shot up. And as soon as those professionals get wind of the direction of the markets, like in the crude oil futures, you can expect those stocks to fly up. And I think I might have a lot of proof here that that strategy works. And the difficult part is waiting for that rally to happen, having those clues, giving us direction on where the buyers are going to step in and where sellers are going to step in. Two most important questions. Bitchin', baby. Simply bitchin'. Monthly chart on the US dollar. There's long-term outlook. Long-term meaning I expect a long-term trend of the US dollar to fall. And I see the stochastics right now, they seem to be embedded in the oversold area, which means there's nothing but selling going on. And in the daily chart, it looks as if it's just hanging around, and it is. But with the stochastic stuck down there in the oversold area, I just expect the sellers to keep nailing this thing. They are going to drive the value down further and further. It looks great for us. Everything I planned in 2016 looks like it's happened in 2017, and I'm expecting the same thing in 2018. Looks great. US dollar daily, once you break support, you always expect a retest. I don't know. I'm expecting a retest just simply because things have been going slow. Month of January, we're getting closer towards the end. It still just might sit around here for a little bit, and you can't expect silver to rally unless the US dollar is just going to simply drop. So Al, I apologize. I know it's been a long battle, but the payoff will be huge. I promise you. 2 years of in this thing is going to pay off in these trades. They're going to pay off huge. Expect the retest. If it doesn't happen, great. It'll be better for us. But if you see things looking bad for a short period of time, maybe till the end of January, beginning of February, things are okay. Things are okay. It's looking great. One thing to remember, guys. I know having zero value added to your money over a year really sucks. Trying to find the exact time to buy a stock and the exact time to sell, it sucks. It's hard. It's difficult. But if you look over the long term and you're in a stock for 2 years, didn't make any money the first year, but the second year is dramatically different, well over 50%. You're talking just a straight up rally like we've seen in silver in the past. And you look back, it should settle your mind to know everything's going to be worth it. I don't have doubts. Everything I've looked for over the past year has happened. It's just knowing exactly when everything breaks and just this dramatic push where the rally starts and people are buying hand over hand. They can't stop. It's on the way, guys. Just keep calm. Everything is good. Stay exactly where you are. I'm expecting great, good feelings on the way very soon, just like we've seen in the past. And these repeating patterns are going to happen again.